Hello Odoo, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video, we looked how to confirm road membership for the vehicle washing. But in this video, we will see how to get membership plan for the two vehicle. So let's see about that. And here available this most popular plan. I want to purchase this premium wash plan for the two vehicle. So now get started. And display here this phone, vehicle 1 for details and vehicle 2 for details. You can easily fill for both vehicle. Now subscriber detail is a name is a John Doe and email is this. Now you can easily write here this vehicle name, like a Swift, license plate. Now add here this brand. Now add here vehicle color, select new size, and now add vehicle 2. Add here brand. Now add here color and select here with sedan. And display here your selected plan, premium wash plan. I agree with terms and conditions with cancellation policy, and you can easily now join. So display here your premium wash membership and not private dinner. Easily pay this, and now display here this your created reference number 44. So again, what is your app? Now go to your membership and display here another membership. Created number is 2. Plan is a premium wash plan with amount only for 1 month and wash limit 1 time. In details, display vehicle name, license plate and model name. Now go to your creator sell order number and display here your creator sell order number with details like a premium wash membership with total amount, and you can easily create this invoice. And now confirm it. And now again go to website and now go to vehicle wash, and when you select here this vehicle, then display here is all available membership. Here display this Mahindra. I want this select. So based on your selected vehicle, auto display here this license plate. Now add here this vehicle color. Select here this preferred date, and if you want to write here any specific instruction, you can easily write here. And now commission begin. So display here now booking consent with your order number 2, service name, basic wash, vehicle name, and status now display draft. If you want to view your order, then easily use this button and display here this in details. Now open it and display here this basic wash, unit price and total amount. Now go to your app, go to this operation menu, and you can easily view this your order. So in this video, we looked how to get membership for two vehicle and how to confirm it. Next we will see dashboard in next video.